Welcome to Quick Literature Academy. Subscribe and press the bell icon for more literature videos. Under the Greenwood Tree by William Shakespeare. Under the greenwood tree, who loves to lie with me, and turns his merry note unto the sweet bird's throat. Come hither, come hither, come hither. Here shall he see no enemy but winter and rough weather. Who doth ambition shun, and loves to live in the sun, seeking the food he eats, and pleased with what he gets. Come hither, come hither, come hither. Here shall he see no enemy but winter and rough weather. Jackass replies, if it do come to pass that any man turn us, leaving his wealth and ease, a stubborn will to please. Duck dame, duck dame, duck dame, here shall he see gross fools as he, and if he will come to me, who doth ambition shun, and loves to live in the sun. Thanks for watching.